Kulang lang, kulang isa.
Are you gonna keep it? Oh! Triggerfish! Oh no!
Triggerfish. Oh, this one's a small one though.
It's a small one.
Have fun catching it. You got it.
It'll be funny. This is actually.
I mean, because it kind of just like pulled you down without like.
So maybe it's a. Oh, it's a snapper!
Snapper.
Oh, big snapper!
It's a baby snapper.
It's a small one, Marco.
Alright, no.
Oh, on my bunny. Not a keeper.
Sorry.
Not a keeper.
When it was biting, and it's just small now. It's a
Croaker.
bait fish. That's
Hey,
what it is.
Patrick, we can keep it at bay.
Bait. That's
Oh,
what it
we fresh cut bait. They like it too. Come on, Sam. Come on, Sammy boy. Marco.
Hello. First time. It's probably the biggest fish I ever caught in the bait caster.
Come on, Sam. Come on. Come on, Sam.
Oh, good job.
Oh.
You can do it. You can do it, Sam.
Might be a grouper. That'll be pretty funny. No, it's not a trigger.
Marco, you're gonna fall off now.
You got yourself a triggerfish ready? No, it's a redfish. Or a snapper. Yeah.
It's a triggerfish. It's a triggerfish. Yeah. Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Here comes.
Thanks, Daddy.
There we go.
Good job.
It looks like it's a rod. Snapper. If you want to post as your fish, you could.
Okay, good job.
That is the youngest. Hold it because you know it was. Being really obnoxious. What kind of?
Whoa.
I didn't know I had a fish.
Whoa, come on, Lance. That's a big one, Lance.
What is it?
can't
What
see.
is it?
Real.
Come on.
Huh?
It's
Oh, we
real.
can get that. No. Yeah, no. 10 inches. Yeah, that's a keeper.
What is it? What is it?
It's a
color.
This is,
It's
12
12.
inches.
Is it a yeah, we got a snapper. Is it queen snapper?
Wow.
Keeper.
Oh, it's a keeper snap. It's a keeper trigger.
Yeah,
It's a keeper
wow.
trigger.
Get in there. Get in there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Go, Sam. Go, 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 go. Run, run.
It's a keeper trigger. Woohoo.
Hold on.
Yay! Good job.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Dad, thanks. Mom, I did not know I had it.
Good job.
Okay, go ahead, Sam.
Gosh.
Real.
Come on,
You got
Sam.
it.
Can't lose
it.
the biggest one. Fish.
All right.
Come on, Sammy boy. Tito Reggie will get the net.
Yeah.
It might be a snap.
Come on, keep going.
But I tried to snag
Here.
in it.
Thank you.
Listen, you still have your bait.
Please tell me.
Lower it.
Oh, it might be a clue.
Come on, come on.
Oh,
Snapper?
it's a good snapper.
It's a big snapper. It's a huge
Reel it, reel it
snapper.
up. Whoa.
Oh, that's it.
It's a
Yeah.
good job. Yeah.
Oh, you caught other lines. Hold on. You caught another line.
It's a keeper snapper.
No, I don't want him to cut this.
I have a dolphin. Big Ben? Is it a Big Ben fisher?
Oh, it's a dolphin.
No, oh, no, it's okay. It's not gonna get it. It's not gonna get it.
Sugarfish.
It's a baby triggerfish. It's big. It's big.
Mama.
Just help him.
Mom.
Whoa,
Yes,
hold on.
yes.
He's in the
I
rock.
saw.
Okay, hold on.
He's trying to take him down.
Whoa. Alright,
He's trying to take him down.
reel down. Up.
Stingray was about
You want me to do it?
big. Stronger than I thought.
Mom, that thing's getting tangled.
That stingray was.
I can't stop feeling them.
Don't stop, don't stop.
This doesn't feel like a snapper. I don't know what this is.
That may be
That's
another
all
trigger.
tail. Maybe another. Maybe a shark.
Fighting like a shark, though.
Oh, shark will take you down.
You're just taking me down.
I mean, around is what I'm saying.
I was thinking get this
Get
shark.
down so I can video for you.
Big.
A shark will take you around.
I think it's
Listen,
maybe it's $1 million.
Dad,
We don't know if we get anything.
Whatever
More big
just-
fish.
okay, Rosu has another one, so we're having a double hookup.
We're doubled up.
Doubled up.
Oh!
What is
Oh,
it?
the dolphins are coming.
Hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up.
Mama,
Oh, another snapper.
it's a good one too.
That looks like a keeper. That's about 16.
Mama, everybody's on that side. and
No, the dolphin's going to me.
Bending.
The boat is bending. He's not after it. Red?
Oh, whoa!
Whoa! That's a giant snapper!
Show.
Whoa, Graham! That is huge! That is huge! That's the biggest one than the other one! Mom!
I think we have to measure this, Mom. It looks a little small.
That's bigger than the first one!
Yeah, I think we should just throw it back.
Mom, that one is the
Good job,
bigger than the other one. That was actually, I felt like a small one, but I actually knew it was a big one. Mom, right behind you.
It didn't even feel like a spider.
Mom, that's
Yeah, you
bigger
gotta
than
make
the
it
other snapper.
You gotta hold this.
No, just put it next to him.
Mama, that's bigger
Right
than
there,
the
to take
other
a
one.
picture. It's almost the same as big as you, Lons.
Mama,
Yeah,
that's
the
bigger
two
than
of you
the
together.
other one. Mama, that's bigger than the other. Cut my We got one. That big fish. Oh.
You got it. Oh, he's still pulling. He's still pulling.
I hope it's not the
They're about 2 feet off the ground.
I hope it's not the dolphin.
It's not a dolphin. There's no way.
The dolphin.
It's kind of taking him out though.
Someone has to help him. Tire the fish. Tire the fish.
No, it's still there, but it's kind of taking him out.
What is that? What is this type of fish?
Don't let go.
Is it a sneaking fish? Mama, Mom. This, I think it's a shark. Mama, this sneaking fish here. It's just that
You gotta turn
we
them now.
don't catch them. And I think that one is. What kind of fish could this
Oh, I think it may be a shark.
Oh, wow. See?
What happened?
Pulling. Whoa, it's pulling back like a shark.
Kuya, you gotta help both of them. This is a snapper. Oh, he can't. Come on, it's taking him down.
Same size as the
Get down.
Watch out. Watch out, Mom, you need to move.
I think it's the same size.
Oh, he went in the rocks.
That's why he took you down there.
Good job, Sam. You got it.
Big, giant snappers. Oh.
Yeah, don't do that. Don't make it go backwards. Don't say uh-oh. You got it.
Paper, side, paper, side.
You got it.
Come on, show me some muscle, Sam.
You want me to do it?
Get on your phone.
All right, keep coming.
Oh, it's throwing you all the way down.
You gotta put that away. You're gonna
Get up,
get
faster,
inside.
faster, faster. Don't let him get the best of you.
Oh,
What's
big one.
that?
Is that a
It's
No.
white. It's a triggerfish.
Oh no, it's a snapper. Oh, that's a keeper snapper.
Oh,
We fought so hard for it. It was a lot smaller than we thought it was.
are you kidding me?
Check it, check it. Check it, I think.
Bring it up because it's gonna
It's
go in
too
the
heavy.
structure.
Yeah, there's a structure at the bottom. Oh, that! Oh, Kuya, Kuya, mine! Kuya, please! Kuya, before it breaks. There's a lot. There's a lot too. Dalawa kung ako to kay Naaka. You lost it? Come on, Kuya. Hold on, because it's too big. It's too big. There's a lot at the bottom.
Where's the net?
Stop playing with me. Barbecue.
At the front, right there. Come on, Dad. Oh, my Alonso has one too. Hurry, there's a lot at the bottom.
There's a bait.
Dad, cut up some bait there.
You don't have lawns?
I got away. Mama, I want a barbecue pizza.
Wow! Oh my! Oh my! Oh my!
Mama, I want barbecue. I want to get a fish like that.
Wow! Whoa!
In the corner. Right in the corner, Mom.
Whoa! Good job. Okay. Here, show me.
Ah.
I saw a
Yeah,
dolphin.
you have to hold it both like that. 'cause
Or
you're
Mom, Mama.
Bring it up. It's not looking too big.
It's not big at all. It's probably a catfish.
Yeah.
I don't think it's there anymore. Is it?
You just keep reeling, keep reeling. No, he's still there.
It is a...
It is a catfish.
Hey, I guessed right. Come here, you.
Okay, let's go now.
Two. Oh, Dad, can you say, Lons, go do it, Lons, do that. Sam.
This is like a stingray again.
Oh, you got one. You got one. It's like a fish. Oh. It's pretty big. Sam, you got it.
I got another stingray.
Oh, Sam got one. Kuya, I think I need a little bit of help here.
You already got it.
He got it.
Get higher. Higher.
What is that?
Oh, there's a stingray.
Oh, it is a
I
stingray?
got it.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, it is a stingray. No, I can't see it. Right there, it is a
And I got
stingray.
somebody's hook. I think
Nara ba yan sa iyang mouth, Dad?
Okay, bring it up again.
Nara ba yan sa iyang outside yung mouth?
back up.
It's only on the outside.